Ever wondered what coverage really means in car insurance? Today I'll break down every major coverage in a personal auto policy with quick real life examples so you know exactly what you are paying for. Hi everyone, this is Anita and welcome to my channel. In auto insurance, coverage is the protection your policy gives you for specific losses or liabilities. A personal auto policy combines several coverages, each one handles a different risk. Let's go through them one by one. First one is the liability coverage. If you cause an accident, this pays others' medical bills and property repairs. Suppose you run a red light and hit another car, injuring the driver and damaging a fence. Your BI pays their medical bills and PD pays the car and fence repairs up to your policy limit. Medical or PIP coverage. Medical coverage covers medical expenses for you and your passengers, no matter who is at fault. Its limit is flat per person like $5,000 or $10,000. PIP, it is broader than medical payment coverage, covers medical plus lost wages plus essential services. For example, you and your friend go to the ER after a crash. Medical payment can cover ER or ambulance up to your policy limit. With PIP, it can also cover part of your lost wages. Its availability and limits vary by the state law. Next comes uninsured or underinsured motorist. So, uninsured is generally denoted as UM and underinsured is denoted as UIM. UM pays if an at-fault driver has no insurance, often includes hit and run case. It has got two parts, UMBI and UMPD. So UMBI pays your medical bills, funeral costs and often legal defense up to your policy limit. UMPD pays to repair your car or property when an uninsured driver hits you, not offered everywhere, usually has a lower limit and often associated with a deductible. UIM pays when an at-fault driver's limit are too low for your injuries. Suppose you are hit by an underinsured driver, that is, they have low limits and you need more. So UIM fills the gap to your UIM policy limit. Next comes collision coverage. It pays to repair your car after collision no matter who is at fault. When it applies, suppose you hit a car or a pole or you roll over. So suppose you accidentally hit a pole, damage is $5,000 with a 500 deductible. So you pay 500 deductible and your insurance pays $4,500. So the point to be noted is payout is capped at actual cash value. If repairs approach the car's value, your car may get totaled. Next comes comprehensive coverage. So it pays for non-crash damage to your car like theft, hail, flood, fire, vandalism, falling tree limbs. So it when it applies covered perils, that is not a collision. Hail dents cost like suppose a hail dent cost you $1,500 to repair with a 500 deductible, so you pay $500. Insurance pays $1,000 up to your policy SCB value. So finally, there are some optional coverages or popular optional add-ons like rental reimbursement pays for a rental car during covered repairs. Common examples will be like $30 per day up to $900 per claim. Roadside assistance like towing or labor helps you with those jump starts or like flat tires, lockouts up to a stated limits. Gap insurance, if your car is totaled and loan balance is greater than ACB value, Gap pays the difference so you are not out of pocket on a car you no longer have. So let's go for a quick recap. Liability pays others when you are at fault. Collision and comprehensive protects your car. medical payment or PIP help with medical costs for you and your passengers. UM or UIM protect you from drivers with no or low insurance. Add-ons like rental, roadside and gap provides convenience and extra financial protection. If this helped you understand auto coverages, like, subscribe and drop your questions below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.